Today I got myself a DJI Neo drone. This is self-flying. You don't need the controller, but I got the Fly More combo, which comes with the controller and also a couple of spare batteries. Let's have a look what's inside the box. Let's just lay it all out here. All right, let's open up the drone to start with. It is really light. All right, so nice and light. We've got a guard on the front there that you can take off when you go to fly. Propeller guards. They can be taken off. I will be leaving mine on. I think it reduces your battery time by 1 minute having them on. So it's 18 minutes of fly time per battery without the guards, and then 17 minutes with the guards. The camera, it does shoot 4K. It is only one way with its axis, but that's okay. Plenty of different options here on the top. We'll check those out soon. Couple of extra propellers. I'm sure I'm going to need those. This looks like our battery pack, or sorry, our controller. So the controller there, you'll connect your phone to this. Pretty standard looking thing. These will be our batteries. So it does come with the 3 battery pack with the Fly More. Screwdriver, in case you have to undo those propellers. They give you all the different cables for whatever phone you have to fly with, and USB-C connection. All right, so you got your 2 batteries here, and then also the one on the base of the drone. Come off real easy. It's just a clip and pull straight off. And then same thing back on. Comes with all your different instructions, but also some DJI stickers in here. For those that do like their stickers, I'm pretty sure they're pretty much standard throughout all the DJI drones and stickers that come with it. As a sticker man, I'm going to have a look. Yeah, so all the different DJI stickers. That one is cool. I do like that one. All right, I'm going to get this thing charging so we can get it up in the air and then have a look at some of the footage.